Greetings everyone. I would like to start my presentation with a quick question. Have you ever regretted buying something but you didn't like the color? Imagine that with a car worth $80,000. I just got chills thinking about that. So this is about my topic, adaptive e-ink skins for next generation vehicles. No paint, no pollution, just tap and app. My name is Sakshi Singh and I'm going to present this topic, and let's see how this trend works for us. Moving forward to the next slide, the big idea, cars with e-ink exteriors. So the young buyers want customization these days, like Fortnite skins but for real life, as shown in the picture. No toxic paints. Sustainable technology is growing day by day. And beyond aesthetics, switching color instantly. Like cars can change colors, display ads, and even glow in the dark. BMW has already built a prototype in 2022 for the same, so this is not just a science fiction I'm talking about. Moving forward, the market opportunity for this. People want personalized rides, like we have high demands for personalized vehicle these days. They spend ad revenue, like billions in ad revenues, and cars can be moving billboards for brands like McD and Coca-Cola. Proven and affordable technology. E-ink is very affordable and energy efficient. So this is already in use, and we can make an untapped business opportunity which is waiting to be scaled. Moving forward, strategic recommendations. Company can partner with e-ink experts and develop durable weather-resistant wraps. They can launch in luxury cars first, starting with Tesla and Porsche to create a demand, and then pilot with Uber. For example, testing ad revenue by running real-time ads and the digital car ads. Moving forward, key benefits of the same. We're gonna see how this benefits drivers. It's very customizable and eco-friendly. For the car companies, new revenue streams will be generated and innovation will be boosted. And for the earth, less paint, less pollution, and more greenery. Moving forward, call to action. So the final word is that imagine in 2025 we build a prototype and then test the durability for the same. In 2026 we launch a pilot program with Uber to explore the ad revenue potential. And then in 2027 and 2028 we make a color shifting launch with first commercial with luxury cars such as Tesla and Porsche, and create a viral marketing campaign. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for riding along.